Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Deimante. Today I want to show you how thrifting can be helpful when it comes to decorations. So this whole lot was purchased in Dublin, Ireland, and my cat is demonstrating or helping me to demonstrate all this lovely stuff. Thank you very much. I think he likes those. Hello. I think he likes those lights and just different textures, and probably is curious as to what's happening to the place where he usually sleeps. I'm just using the bed to show you all this beautiful stuff and try to guess how much did all of this cost me in Dublin, Ireland in 2024. It was 12 euros. 3 different purchases. And first things first, those 2 long pieces of almost like ivy. It's obviously all fake, artificial plants. Those 2 pieces and this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous piece were purchased in one shop, and that totaled 9 euros. Let's have a look at the receipt. There we are. 5 euros for a silvery dish, and then 2 euros each for each of the ivy pieces. I'm very excited and impatient, so I had to charge my phone. My phone is currently plugged into a charger, and just an FYI, just my range of movement is not very wide right now if you feel that the video is a bit jumpy. But let's just stuck into the what was bought, how much was it, and what it is, okay? Just to give you a bit of a background, I wanted to pretty much repurpose, be careful. I didn't want to kind of go to those websites and start purchasing all the plastic where people may have used it and maybe gave it away to the charity shop, and I can just reuse it and potentially bring it to the charity shop afterwards where people can use it once again, and the money goes for the good cause. That's the idea really of it. And if you think about it, and how little did it all cost, and the idea that it has been repurposed maybe already a few times, we don't really know, but it's going to come in very handy. And those 9 euros in Oxfam charity shop bought me this long ivy piece like this. It's gorgeous and sparkly. It's absolutely perfect. I've seen one of those in TK Maxx for like 17 and 18 euros. It's quite large. Now, the catch here is that these little lights came together. They're not attached or anything, and I've just inserted batteries, my own batteries. It says €1 each, but I think they just bundled it up all together. So, these lights can be used beautifully. It could be as a part of a table decoration, and you can reuse it for Christmas, for birthdays, romantic, like dinner, or even a family dinner, etc. Really kind of all purpose. Then when we're moving on to this other one here, we can sense a bit of Christmas vibes, but I would say don't be put off by that really. because like if I really wanted, I could maybe like take few bits away. For example, you can take this away if you want to, and from these kind of a Christmas tree bits you could make another separate Christmas decoration if somebody, you know, wanted to put that time into it. Now, I've seen once again those in those shops, you know, in the shops currently for, as I said, 25 euros. This is like a massive branch, absolutely huge, you know. This could be used as a Christmas decoration, or else, as I said, it could be repurposed, you know. Beautiful colors. You can cover a lot of a table by this, or maybe, you know, attach it to the, I don't know, top of the door or side of the door or the wall or sofa. You can just play with it, you know. Be creative. Once again, some lights as well. I've added the batteries. The cat is curious. I've only, you know, it's on. Oh, Atsargi, be careful, baby. You can't. We'll turn it off. We'll turn it off. Here we are. So this is the first bit. 9 euros total. And you know, the idea why I'm even uploading this video, why I'm filming this video, is for you to remember that whether you have a small budget or you want to be wise and smart with your money, there are options, you know. If you can ask your family or friends to lend you a decoration on maybe a tablecloth, etc. Like, I'm always happy to lend my stuff, and I'm actually feeling pleased because I'm thinking, I bought it, paid X amount of money, and the more it's getting used, the more value for money it was in the first place, and it is in the first place. What are you doing, sweetheart? You're just being playful, aren't you? No, he's very good. He doesn't really, you know. But yeah, look, it's a new thing, so we might need to move him away if needs to be. So, for his own sake. Okay. Now, on to the next, right? This bit over here, it's 5 euros. I think it looks very royal. It's very regal. I'm kind of like, I don't know. You know, it was rainy, so it actually got a little bit wet, but that's just the rain. This needs to be obviously like scrubbed, you know, washed and everything, but is that not just absolutely gorgeous table piece, you know? What I like about it, it's like a little, essentially you can have it like this, and you can even like serve like a massive fish, you know? Or you can have it all the way up like this, and you can serve like your desserts or anything really. I can already see so many purposes for this one. Now, it is dirty, so I don't really want my cat to be going over it. So we'll put it aside. Couple of last bits, okay? Those flowers. Those flowers were displayed in a vase. Sweetheart, carefully. Those flowers were displayed in a vase in one of the charity shops, okay? And I've been looking at it. There was a good few other flowers as well. I've been looking at it, and I was thinking, will I ask if they would sell it? And they said, yes, that's for sale, of course. So this whole lot was only, was it 1 euro? Yeah, 1 euro. Nice. You can really make a lot of like table decorations out of this whole lot. The color is not really coming through, but it's gorgeous. It's kind of like this dirty pink, and then we have pretty much the baby pink. Okay. On to the next, and probably the last bit. The last bit is this lovely piece, okay? It's 2 euros over here. I mean, look, it's wood, and I would assume some food items have been there before, so you know, you would give it a good scrub. I have a couple of thoughts on whether I want to actually repaint it or not as well. Something good about these kind of a two-tier, let's call it a snack or sandwich holders, is that they're very compact. you can unscrew it fully. And that's the handy part of it. €2. Again, I've seen it in the shops, 15, 20, 30 euros. And this is wood. It's light. I've seen 20 and 30 euros for the ones that are, I don't want to be too harsh, but pretty much cardboard. So this is the haul. And to be precise, here, this is a receipt for this €2 piece, and it was bought from Vincent de Paul in Dublin. There we are. My message to you is, when it comes to special occasions, Christmases, birthdays, anniversaries, christenings, weddings, like even sad occasions such as maybe funerals or like somebody's death anniversary, in terms of like making it a little bit special, making it a little bit different, seeing what you have at home already. If you don't have what you think you need, walk in the charity shops, have a little walk, browse, see if you can get something that is environmentally friendlier. If I bought this much of plastic as a brand new thing from one of those, websites that, like, I mean, I don't know, I would feel it's a bit of a waste. If I can't get it locally, then it's a different thing. But this actually was only like a short walk, and all in all, it's a very good value. So, I hope I sparked some food for thought. Have a nice day, everyone, and check out my other videos. Leave down some comments, likes, subscribes. I will see you shortly, and look after yourself. Bye bye.